Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I am back with part 2 of my DIYChoose order. So let's get into it and show you what I have. Again, I have everything out of the bags because I just think it's much better. I can get them flattened out. It doesn't take as much time and we can just roll with it. So what do you think? Sorry, right off the bat, I forgot to show you it has a toolkit and it has special drills. I love these. Okay, this one's small, 30 by 40. Okay, 30 by 40. That was never going to be 30 by 40. It's square. 30 by 30. Okay, but never was it going to be 30 by 40. Anyhow, and it's not going to be 30 by 30 either. It's probably going to be 25 by 25 or 24 by 24. It's not rectangular. It's square. Okay. Whew. Okay, got past that. Anyhow, isn't it cute? It's just a boot, it reminds me of a jester. It reminds me of a jester's boot or sock or whatever they wear, but it's cute. It's all Christmassy. Got a candy cane coming out the top, and it's a bubble painting with extra. It's not all solid bubble painting, but it's got bubble painting. This is going to be black on the background. See, it's going to be black. And then it's going to be multiple sizes, and then we'll have other stuff going on as well. So these are so much fun. The whole thing gets covered. I would call it a full coverage crystal, but it's not going to be all crystals. Anyhow, they're fun. That's all I know. They're fun. I think this is like the third one I've gotten, and they're all fun. So let's start with those blacks. As I was saying, we have small, medium, large. Now red, we have small, we have medium. Then we have just some clear rhinestones, an interesting green rhinestone. Here's my favorites, these pearly iridescent. They're so cool. These are so pretty. I love those. And another green, right? Then we have two sizes. Oh, I lied. Three sizes of the gold, small, medium, and large. Oh, I love these. This reminds me of some candy I used to eat when I was a kid. It's bumpy. They're textured. You can feel it. They're so cool. I love these. I just skipped those. Just jump right to those. Those are fun. They're going to go on the boot slippery thing. I love those. Okay, that's going to be fun. I'm going to have to do that for Christmas. Yes. All right. So I don't think the rest are Christmas. All right, one quilling. Yep, one quilling. I couldn't help it because look how cute it is. It's like a under the sea with fish, an anchor, the ship's wheel, little teddy bear. He's our little sailor dude. Isn't it cute? That looks like a net. Fun. There's only 10 shapes for this, but it's fun. Got some birds. We'll have to adjust this. I've not pulled the plastic back yet. We'll have to lay down. Lay down. That reminds me, every time I say that, Chauncey, lay down. Tell me if you know what that's from. I think it's actually, lay down, Chauncey. Oh, I can't help it. I've broken the song again, too. I can't help myself. Look at the colors. Pretty, 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 pretty. White AB, some special drills, just a couple of little blue ones, some green, and some of the reddish orange marquees. Yay! Beautiful. Beautimous. Okay, love it. All right, over there you go. Scout, hang out over there. All right, this one's interesting. So is the next one. Same toolkit. This is regular drill. So what's it say? It says, I didn't need luck. I've got Jesus, breast cancer. Little ribbon down here. Look at him. He's got his cross. His hat's all covered with the breast cancer ribbon. I thought this one was interesting. Yep. There you go. So, to all those survivors out there, somebody's on your side. Yep. Okay. I'm not going to open this one. I got one more coming. I'll show you the colors for that one. But this one's basically, you've got your dark color, you got some tan, you got some pinks for the 3-leaf clover and all of the words. And you can read the words really well. I like that about it, that you can read them. Breast cancer, you can even read that. Okay, love it. So those are our colors. I'm not going to get into those. I'll show you the colors on the next one. Like I said, next one has a bigger variety of colors. We're in the same kind of ballpark though. Let me show you what I mean. This one I had to look at from afar to read it. It says, "Be you. The world will adjust." I hope that's going to turn out. I don't know if it will because of all the colors in the words, but I'm hoping that it does. Be you. The world will adjust. Yes. Good plan. My new philosophy. Just be me. People don't like it. You know, they're going to have to just... So it's a cancer ribbon with like all kinds of colors. So it's not one cancer awareness specific, right? There are multiple colors here and it could just stand for anything. Little gnome guy, he's all in green. He's got a pot of gold. He's got some coins. It's just a mix of things. It was just interesting. I just thought, well, why not? Let's get it. Why not? All right. Like I said, this one has all kinds of colors in it. So I thought I'd save the unbagging of drills for this one. All right. What do we have? Dun, 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 dun. All kinds of colors, like I said. And they're upside down. Do you care? Pink, purple, blue, black. Lots of black background. Red, green, gray, purple, bunch of greens, bright yellow, gold, goldenrod. I call that goldenrod. Gray, blue, 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 green. Like I said, lots of colors for those. Very pretty. Nice drills. They look great. Yep, they look good. Can I see them up closer? They look good. All right. They look great. Okay. So there's that one, another gnome. All right, I'm going to save this one to the end. Let's look at this first. Got a little package here. Got a little ditty about Jack and Diane. You knew I couldn't resist that one. Oh, so it's in a bag. Oh, this is in its own bag. Ring my bell. Ring my bell. It's a bell, right? It's a bell. Okay, it's in a bag. It's a bell in a bag. How did we get the bell out of the bag? Bag. Open. Okay. Ooh, fun. We're having a good time now. So he's going to hang off whatever we have in this other bag, right? Here he goes. Love it. It actually jingles. Tingle, dingle, dingle. It jingles. I love it. Okay. So there's the bell. Love it. Here's our toolkit and a chain. We have chain. All right, hang it from. We're gonna hang it from the chain. The bell's gonna hang off the bottom. I don't know how this is gonna work. What do we have? Dragonfly. Oh, Dragonfly, and he's double-sided because, you know, he's gonna be out there spinning around like this. Did I make you dizzy? He's gonna be cool though. So the bell's gonna hang off one end, the chain's gonna be off the other end, and he's going to be out there swinging in the breeze. It's only got a few colors. Orange, blue, purple, teal, green. Love it. Good dragonfly colors. Love it. He's cute. I like it. I've been wanting to get one with the bell for a while. Okay, last one. I was surprised when I opened this that it was this large. I did not realize it was this big. It is a 40 by 50. And I love it. Love it. Okay. Could I resist? Was there any way I could resist that? No, right? Just no. It has 24 colors. We got 2 dachshunds, right? Okay, so this one, I think this one looks like it's dressed like a girl because of the hat. And this one's a boy because of the hat. Boy hat, girl hat. I don't know. Isn't it cute? So cute. All 4th of July'd out and everything, right? Let's get you up close. Can you see the drill field? Look at the drill field. It is a little bit of confetti. Can you read everything now? Yeah, it's clear. Picture printed, of course. Pretty much everything is these days. Aren't they cute? I love them. Here's our toolkit. Have a little piece of wax. And here's our drills. Let's do drills. Why not? We're only 10 minutes in. We got time for drills. There's another one. There's another one too. I hope I have it coming. I don't know if I do though. Anyhow, love the little Dachshunds. Okay, we have DMC codes on the canvas, on both sides, symbols, all that stuff. No DMC codes on the drills. That's okay. Look, we got a whole bunch of white. White, white, white. Blue, blue, blue. And a reddish tan color. Brick. Hey, that's a good name for it. Brick. I try to come up with names for the colors. Sometimes I just don't have a name. I don't know why. It doesn't pop in my brain. That's what I thought. Did you see that? There was a drill in there. That's what I thought. Okay, you come over there. Funny. Browns, green, a little magenta. Where does magenta go? I don't know. Blues, cranberry, 2 bags of 7. That's got to be like back here in the big blue section. Another pink, some grays, and green. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. It's so cute. All right. Okay. Thank you, DIYChoose. This is what I got for part 2. Remember those? Okay. Fun stuff, right? So thank you for watching. It was fun. I enjoy doing this. Anyhow, if you enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you're new here and you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button. If you've been around for a while and you want a little extra content, you could hit the membership button. Join. You know, there's all kinds of things out there. And thank you for everything that you do. If it's just coming and watching a video, thank you. I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great day. It's time for me to let 2 little Dachshunds outside. Yes, it's been a little while. I think it's time they go outside and, you know, take care of things. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will talk to you real soon. Have a great day. Bye, guys.